Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Thursday, March 30th. Time is 9:23 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, getting a fairly late start, but not really. I hadn't planned on trading today, but came on down to the computer and kind of looked at the markets, and this looks like a familiar pattern to me. So, I am long, 10 contracts, 49.87, stop sitting at 77. Look to pull half off at 96. All right, we had this big push up at 825 here, and it actually broke the 9 to 19 level, and we've just been channeling back and forth at this point here. So my thought process, typical of CL, is as we get into a channel, this was a long one though, we'll leg up again. And what I was seeing on the 1440-minute chart is where I marked the 38.2 deviate or 38.2 fib line at 50.34, 50.32, and I do believe we're probably going to end up pushing up to that today, if not today or tomorrow. So I think it's going to be today though. So I think we're just going to try to ride that on up to that area, and if it still looks going there, then we'll probably hang on to it. But any sign of reversal, I'm gonna just go ahead and exit because, like I said, I wasn't planning on trading today. But we'll see what happens. So, long 10 contracts, 49.86. Look to pull half off at 96. Stop sitting at 76 at the moment, and I think I'm going to tighten that up here to 81. Yep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 ticks stop now. All right, guys, be back in just a bit. Alright, went ahead and pulled half off at 91 for 5 ticks, and I'm going to leave my stop sitting at 5 ticks for a flat scratch trade at 81, and we'll just kind of see what happens here. So, shooting for 30 ticks today if we decide to break up, break to the north. 91, let's see here, 86, 96, 06, 16. Before 30 ticks before I start peeling off at this point, being I want to be in and out today, so we'll see what happens here. But long 5 contracts, 49.86, stop sitting at 81 for a 5 tick stop, and we will see if we get up around 96, 06. Actually, probably around 06 for a pill area for 20 ticks or so. Alright, I'll be back shortly. Okay, there's that break stop coming up to break even at this moment. I'm going to set a few price points as far as pilling. First one is going to be 2 contracts off at 50.16. That is for 30 ticks. Next one is going to be 50.26. Let's see if we get this set up here. 50.26. Okay, I'm going to pull one off there. I think that's for 40 ticks. 96, 06, 26. And then 50.36 is going to be one off there for 50 ticks. 50. So, and then I'm going to just let the last one ride, just kind of see what happens. Got to get up here first, though. So, where are we at now? That one came up to 50.05. Alright, guys, I'm going to watch for just a bit because, oh boy, might need to change strategy. This looks like this is a reversal sequence setting up here. Alright, let me be back. I'll be back in a moment. I'll let you know what I'm going to do. I'll be back shortly. Okay, guys, I'm going to switch directions. Let's see where we get in here. Alright, short. 10 contracts, 49.93. Alright. Yeah, this is a reversal sequence setup right here. Probably could have waited for a pullback, but no big deal. Stop is going to be sitting at 50.03. Yep, that's good. 50.03. And that is for, let's see, 10 ticks stop. There. And look to pull half off at 83. Down here. 83. And half off there. And submit. Alright, we're good there. So, okay guys. So everything that I was saying north, heading up to here doesn't look like that's going to happen. So I may consider doing that south, as I don't want to watch this trade much. So, but I do want to get everything all set up to where it needs to be at this point. So I'm going to actually go ahead and pull half off here. Okay, came off at 85 for 8 ticks. And let's see here. I'm gonna move my stop. Oh, let's see here. Where can I move my stop to? Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna move it to 93. Okay, guys. Let me get everything set up just right, just the way I want it. I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, guys. Wow, nice movement. Okay, switching directions was the right decision. Okay, 5 contracts short, 49.93. I'm gonna go ahead and pull one off at 73 for 20 ticks if we can get down there. Stop sitting at break even right now, 49.93 right here. And I may just have to watch this trade. It's a little, kind of passive to set this stuff up the way I need it to and not still watch it. So ideally, well, with us going in the other direction now, well, ideally it would actually break through this 50-day moving average. Let me see what we got going on here. Stuff. Okay, value area high is right here at 55. 55, and that may be a hang-up area there. See, and this is probably just kind of basing off of timing. If it does push down here and it starts to hit the 50-day moving average, that should line up with the 61.8 fib line, just kind of eyeballing it at this point. So we'll see. But okay, well, I actually like being a bear better than a bull for whatever reason. That's my own psychological thing. But I like playing shorts, so we'll see what happens on this one. Short 5 contracts, 49.93. Stop sitting at break even. Look to peel off at 73 for 20 ticks. All right, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, what I have done is something you've probably never seen me do before. Is I've added 6 more positions short, and my dollar cost average now is at 49.89. Okay, added 6 contracts short at 49.87. I'm gonna pull half of them off at 77. So right now I'm short 10 contracts, dollar cost average 49.89. And let me set this up, pull half off at 77. 5 there. Okay, and then I don't know what my dollar cost average would be after that, so we'll see if we can get this off. Stop is still sitting at 93, and that is for a 4-tick stop now. Got to get that adjusted. Move that back up to 10 contracts. There. Okay, so here's where we at. Short 10 contracts, 49.89. Stop sitting at 49.93. I look to pull half off at 49.77. That would be for 12 ticks. And we'll see what happens at this point. So this is still a channel, and it's going to be a big channel. But overall, the big picture is just chopped right now. So just kind of utilizing the edges of it the best I can. So we're short right here on this bar, and we'll see what happens at this point. All right, be back shortly. Okay, my stop got taken out there at 93. So now we're going to watch and see. I don't see a reversal sequence here. That's the only thing. Let me see if I can actually just jump right back into this. I think so. All right, let me watch for a minute. I'll be back shortly. Okay, just entered short again. 10 contracts, 49.89. Look to pull half off at 79. Stop is going to be sitting at 97 for 8-tick stop at this one here. 97. Okay, that's a stop there. This one is 10 contracts. Okay. What I'm doing is hiding behind this big cell cluster. Even though it's balanced, it's still substantial size there. So we'll see what happens here. So 1 tick behind this cluster right here. And I'm just thinking this is a pullback, probably to around the 5 deviation line or so. And then we should start heading south again at this point. So, all right, be back in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and scratch this trade at break even. I had 89. So, okay, boom. All right, out at break even for the moment, and I want to watch and see what happens with this. It's hanging above that 8 moving average and just kind of at a loss. So I want to see what happens. I'm not seeing a reversal sequence, but it sure is moving like one. So this bar here is at 49. Wait a minute. Let's see what's back here. What is this bar? 81, 71. What do we have back here? 71. Okay, this top here, which would act as support now. I don't think that's very strong, though. That is the 77 is the high from overnight. So, okay. I still think we want to go short. Just want to make sure. And I'll pull the trigger again when I let you know. When something happens. Alright, be back shortly. Okay, we got a momentum push going on here. I think we're looking around 50.13. 50.15 is the threshold from this bar here. And we will probably look to go short pretty quickly here. So just watching. I'll let you know when I pull the trigger. Alright, be back shortly. Okay, guys, pull the trigger. Short 10 contracts 50.11. Nice fill there. Look to pull half off at 50.01. Stop sitting at 50.21 at the moment. So, which is way above this. So I like this area right here. I like the momentum going in this. Watching the price action, watching the absorption coming into this as well. So I believe this is going to be the hit at this moment. So buyers are still really strong, but there's a lot of absorption going on in this zone. And right up in here, so we'll see what happens. All right, be back in just a minute. Okay, we are close, not quite there yet. I'm going to hang on for the 10 ticks on this one. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to 50.14. And that's going to be a 3-tick stop at this moment, 1 tick above this 7 deviation line right here. And I think this is going to be the break. This is setting up as a nice reversal sequence. Not quite where I need it to be. Let me check. This bar isn't quite the volume that I like. This one's a lot better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8 ticks. So 7 deviation line is the trigger level. Daily at 50.13. I'm in at 50.11, so I think we're good there. All right, I'm gonna hang on. Let me watch. Okay, went ahead and pulled half off at 9 ticks right here. And I'm going to leave my stop sitting at 14 for the moment. A lot of volume building up in this area, and I am not really sure what is going on just yet. So we're just going to watch and see if I have the correct analysis going on here. So on the diagnostic bars, big prints, and I would already set it up to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that would already set a reversal sequence there. So I was basing it off of here, from the total volume and the delta. And 1 tick short missed on that one, but just watching the absorption and the price action going on there. So okay, short 5 contracts, 50.11. I'll see if I can pull one off at 50.91 or 49.91 rather for 20 ticks, and then at that point I'll probably end up moving to break even. But stop sitting at 14 for a 3-tick stop right now. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, stopped out there, guys, and I'm actually done. The bears have dumped a ton of volume right in this level, and this is as far as they was able to move it. Nothing. So it looked like the bulls want to go ahead and run this day, and I'm gonna just stay out of their way. Not sure what I made today. Being that I always just count the scale outs, and this was just 10 tick break even day, not minus a few ticks. So, but it's up, so it's all right. All right, thanks for watching. I don't think I'll be trading it all tomorrow, and you guys have a good one, and we will see you next week. All right, bye.